Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. This is Simpy Kiwi. I am doing a quick manicure today. I have to head to a wedding and I'm trying to hurry and get this video done. But I wanted to show you this cute, elegant manicure that I've done. It is freehand. Some of it is freehand art, and then the other is with some holographic or iridescent stones. But I just wanted to show you this video today. Let me show you the items real quick, what I'm using today. I am using some white acrylic paint, which is from Apple Barrel. It's white. I'm also using a striper paint nail polish from Sally Hansen, which is in the color Silver Argent. I'm also using Blitzy, and this is Tree Silver. And I'm using this Vernis Classique or Vernis Classique by Cherimoya, and it's called Cobalt. Beautiful blue. And of course I'm using Pop-arazzi clear top coat along with Seche Vite to seal it off as a quick drying top coat. And I've already have 2 coats of the Cobalt, and on my pinky finger and my thumb I did a teardrop stone, and these are some of the stones that I have in this little container here, and these are the stones here that I'll be using, which are the teardrops. So let me go ahead and get started on the other hand for you. I've already got most of it done. With the stones, the middle finger on both hands, I've done like a flower shape with the stone, with the teardrop stones, and then just a single stone on the ring and on the thumb. So now I'm going to do the freehand art, and I've got my little palette here. It's a mess, but I'll show it to you. My little palette, I have my water, my paint, and then also my nail polish there that I'm going to be using as well. So I'm going to just dip the water in the brush in the paint and in the water. And I'm going to just come at an angle here. And of course I've got a clear top coat on here with the Seche Vite. So if I happen to mess up with the acrylic paint, I can always take it off and start over. It's like I could do my non-dominant hand better than I can with my dominant hand. I don't know why. I'm going to go ahead and do the other finger too while I have the white. I know I'm going back in to fill it up, but what I'm going to do is, once I clean up those, get in those little bald spot patches, I'm going to take a orange wood stick or a toothpick and clean up a little bit around it a little bit, because I do have the clear top coat, and see how it you can kind of straighten it up a little bit so it won't look so messy. And that's what I like about the acrylic paint. If you mess up, you can always kind of correct it. And make sure you put a clear top coat in order to do that. Because if I had polish, of course, you know I couldn't do that. I'd have to start all over again. So now I'm going to take the striper brush. Well, let me do the Blitzy first, and then I'm going to take the stripy blunt brush, and I'm just dabbing this on my little palette here. And I'm going to clean off my brush a little bit, which is fine. I'm going to use the same brush that I had and just kind of go over the white part of the polish, the holographic glitter polish. And that's just to give it some kind of bling to it. You know I like a little bling to my manicures. And then I'm going to take the striping brush and go in the middle of the white. And the other finger. Okay, and that's pretty quick, easy, just to give it a little glam to your manicure. Kind of messed this ring finger up, but it's okay. Just wanted to show you what you can do a little differently with your manicures. This is the best hand. I don't know why I can do it with my non-dominant hand better than I can with my right hand. But I just wanted to show you this really quickly, and just let me know what you think. I'll put everything in the description box of what I've used. Of course, I'm going to seal this all off with Seche Vite. You all have a blessed day, and thank you again for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.